Hey there, fellow investors and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your financial life easier. Today's video is all about how to cancel your webull subscription in 2025. If you're thinking about ditching webull or just want to free up some subscription fees, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you don't miss a beat. First things first, make sure you're logged into your webull account on the app or website. If you haven't logged in recently, take a moment to enter your credentials securely. Once you're in, head over to the Account or Settings section, usually found in the profile icon at the top right corner. It's that little avatar that looks like you. Next, look for the Subscriptions or Membership tab. Webull might have updated their interface by 2025, but it's typically under Account Management or a similar option. Here, you'll see a list of your active subscriptions, including any premium features you've signed up for. Now, select the subscription you want to cancel. There might be a Manage or Cancel button next to it. Click that. Webull will probably ask you to confirm your decision, so read through any prompts carefully. They might offer you incentives to stay, like discounts, but if you're set on canceling, proceed by confirming. After confirmation, you should get an email verification from Webull. Keep an eye on your inbox to ensure everything's processed correctly. Remember, cancellations might not be immediate, so check your account status after a day or two. One quick tip. If you're canceling because you're unhappy, consider why. Maybe share it in the comments below so we can discuss alternatives. And if Webull has made changes by 2025, always double-check their help center for the most up-to-date info. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and ring the bell for notifications. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.